Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a no-wax batik. What is a batik? So batik is a very ancient textile tradition. It comes from the Javanese word amba titik, which means a shortened version of batik. So essentially it's a cloth that you decorate with this wax resist technique, but we're actually going to do something a little different. And in case you're curious, that's where Indonesia is. So first you're going to mix equal parts flour and water. It's a little messy. And then you're going to transfer that mixture with a funnel into a squeeze bottle. Next you're going to draw your design on white paper, or you can also choose from a pre-drawn template, and those will be at the front of the classroom. Remember that simpler designs work best because the glue mixture can get messy. Now you're going to tape your design to cardboard. And then on top of that, you're going to tape your muslin, that's the cloth or the textile, to your cardboard. Make sure it's nice and secure. Squeezing out that flour mixture that we made before, you're going to trace over your drawing. Before you use your flour mixture, make sure your cap is on it. You're going to give it a nice good shake. Ooh. Everywhere that your glue goes will be a white line. So we'll let this dry and then we're going to paint it next week. Now you're going to put your artwork on the tall drying rack and let it dry.